Hello and welcome to another weekend saver bundle selection with me, Owain, at Tonic Studios HQ. And as usual, I'm going to tell you what special offers we've got available on the store this weekend in the US and UK, but these offers are available worldwide and their biggest discounts on Nuvo and Craft Perfect at up to 50% off. So we're going to go through them with you today. So first of all, we've hit Christmas mode now. We're in the festive season and our Nuvo and Craft Perfect reflects that. So first of all, we've got Deck the Halls, okay, and we've got that. These Deck the Halls bundles are in crystal drops, we've got them in glitters and confettis, and we've got them in mirror cards. So first of all, with the mirror card here, you've got lovely satin mirror card mixed with sort of brighter, shinier mirror card as well there too. And you've got greens, lovely greens, reds and golds, and a coppery colour there. Beautiful sort of luxurious Craft Perfect card. All the quality you'd come to expect from Craft Perfect there. So yeah, that's your Deck the Halls card Craft Perfect pack. You've got then crystal drops, so maybe you're looking for some of those subtle Christmas tones in crystal drops, and this is the bundle for you then. So the Deck the Halls bundle then, you've got some coppers, golds, greens, and yeah, lovely reds as two, and yeah, they're available too. So a good little bundle there of drops, and all these bundles are special prices, so the best discounts that we have on these drops and glitters and papers, they're available on the website only this weekend up until Monday at 4 p.m. all right. Next up, so the confetti and glitters in the Deck the Halls selection. Again, there was lovely sort of, well, you've got a pink there as well, bright pink, but you've got golds, greens, and you've got reds as well then, really lovely red. So yeah, this is a fiery phoenix circle, so you've got a lovely sort of, yeah, pinky red there too on there. So they're, you know, lovely bundles for you if you're looking for those sort of tones, those greens and reds. Then we go on to the Winter Wonderland bundles here that we have. So we've got some glitter and confetti once again, but yeah, really icy, cold, cool Christmas colours. So if you like your cards classic in that way, then these are the ones for you. Beautiful sequins, loads in there in the 35mm pots. You've got a nice sort of bluish turquoise there too, but yeah, confetti and sequins there too. And then you've got the drop selection as well here. You've got, yeah, beautiful sort of lighter blue shades, darker blues. You've got sort of a teal as well, sort of Neptune sort of colour, white as well too, and then silver lining. So again, classic colours for your Winter Wonderland Christmas. And then we've got a classic Christmas card selection finally in classic cards. So each of these, the weave textured card that we have on offer at Tonic Studios, and you're getting 10 sheets in each pack of the A4. So yeah, these are available for you. A lovely selection. You've got the lighter mixed with the darker sort of reds there as well, lighter greens, creams, and the greens as well. So you've got cream and a white as well. So you get to mix those tones and create some really cool effects. So those are the bundles available for you this weekend. It starts at Friday at 9 a.m. and goes all the way until Monday at 4 p.m. So get yourself some of the best deals on Craft Perfect and Nuvo that we've ever offered for the Christmas period. See you all soon.